How to create a Wuthering Waves account. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you trying to start playing Wuthering Waves but don't know how to make an account? Don't worry, it is very easy. First of all, launch open the Wuthering Waves application on your Android device or your iOS device, whether you are using a smartphone or tablets or iPad. First of all, make sure to download the Wuthering Waves application on your device and launch it open. The game will take a while to download, and once it is done, it loads, and once it is loaded to this page, you'll see this kind of a pop-up where you'll need to go ahead and log into your existing account or sign up. To create a new account, if you don't have an account yet, click on the Register Now button and you'll be guided through the registration process for Kuro Games. Now, go to the top of the screen and enter a valid email address. After typing down an email address, click on Get Verification Code. You'll receive a verification code sent to you via your email. Go check your email inbox. After opening up your email, you'll receive the email from Kuro Games with the verification code in it. Enter the 6-digit verification code, and once done, go to the next field and enter a password for your account. Create a password and then on the next field, re-enter the password once again. Finally, scroll down and click on this I have read box and click register. Now you have successfully registered for your account. You can close this page, enter your registered email that you just used, and then enter the password that you created. Finally, click Login. Agree to all these conditions and click on Confirm and Proceed. Now you have successfully completed signing up and you are accessed inside your account as well. You need to download additional resources. Go ahead and select whether you want to download full resources or basic and click the download button on the right. The download will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. And after the download is completed, you are ready to start your Wuthering Waves adventure. So that is how you can easily complete signing up for Wuthering Waves. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.